What is up, guys? It's your boy Stinky Runner. Today I'm going to show you guys how to defeat Spy Island for Poptropica. Also, 2 seconds. Yeah, that's the same time. So first we're going to go into the headquarters. I can just get here, of course. And I'm thinking of there being parts also. Please mind the background. And because my brother's watching TV. So then we're going to go here, talk to Director D, and then you're going to click on to this red thing, because I've already done that part. So once you do that, you come down here, you're going to get a decoder kit, and then you're going to come down here. And if you guys want to friend me, just type in Logan2 in the friend box, and then my character will pop up immediately. So then you go to the eye doctor, because we need sunglasses. So then you're going to come right here, and just quickly just go like, I like an eye exam. So here's the cool part right here. Identify each and then watch this. Oh, see? So basically just do the opposite of what it just tells you, basically. That's basically what you do. So then, once you do that, go up to here. And here we are. So here's basically the rule. I think we need a camouflage suit. So this is a lab. I'm the scientist for secret operations. I just completed my latest invention, the camouflage suit. I'll just say that. Let's see what it looks like when I put it on. So, guys, we're going to put it on. Oh, man, that's so cool. That is. That's really cool. Look at this. Can you see me? Huh? Can you? Don't see me? Huh? Basically, now, next time. Let's go into Baldy Lab. So, yeah. I've uncovered a secret about the vision. So, L equals F. So, it was going to go F, I, N, G, X going to be finger, X, fingerprint. Let me get out of it by accident. So it's fingerprint. Thanks. So basically, let's just ask for a job here. Oh, okay. Mr. Chef, can I work here? I would like to apply to the job. Actually, there's just one test you need to pass. A good chef must have a good memory. Oh, should I'm saying like this? Oh no. Sugar, pepper, sugar, pepper, water, sugar, salt, water, water, sugar, salt, water. I think we need to write this down. Juice, pepper, flour, juice, pepper, flour, pepper. So let me just see if I can do this so it's gonna be juice, flour. Oh, I guess it was pepper. Oh wait, no. Next. I'd like to apply for the job. Excellent. There's just one test you need to pass. It's like you just forgot about how I failed the test. A good chef must have a good memory. Watch carefully and remember the order of ingredients. Water, juice, sugar. Water, juice, sugar. I'm just gonna write this down for you. Flour, sauce. What? It was flour! Yo, man, what you talking about? I got it. Comment below if you think I got it. For sure, comment below. Sauce, pepper, water. Sauce, pepper, flour. Sauce, pepper, flour. I thought it was flour. Did I do water or something? Comment below what it was actually. Just comment below. So this, I guess there is going to be parts actually. Okay, so juice, pepper, flour. Alright, I didn't get it wrong. Salt, juice, salt, pepper. Salt, juice, salt, pepper. Sugar, water, juice, water, pepper. Sugar, water, juice, water, pepper. Very good. Right. Thank you. Good. Okay, so almost just now. Congrats. Oh shoot, if I have this one on, somebody feels suspicious. Oh, I don't have this one. Okay. I'm not suspicious. Sword. Hi, I'd like to. I'm not here to eat. Oh my. I don't need anything, thank you. Chef, please fill up my glass. Thank you. Just to do. I'm going to answer. You're now a chef. Thank you very much. Now, I don't know what the water thing is. Is it like, hurry up, come on, drink. Oh shoot, I know we can't leave. Okay, phew. Alright, now I think this is about to freeze. Alright, yeah, you can come back over here. Oh, no more. Where do you get the water from? I'm fine. Go away. Boss won't let me anyway. Okay. Alright, here we go. Shush, Sam. Just shush. They're over there in the door. Alright, so 5 more minutes, and I will do part 2 later. So guys, basically, once you get the cup, you go back to the, then you go back to Director D, and, yeah, basically, and then you just show them your cup, and I'll show it in my next video. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe down below, comment, and see you guys later. Bye.